Hey, my BAM Beauties. This is your girl Bombshell coming back with another quick video. Okay, what I'm doing is bringing you the new update of a video that I made 3 years ago. The video was called the bowl cut wig. However, it was in purple and black. The style I'm wearing now is similar to the same style I did 3 years ago. However, I have changed some things up. So if you want to see the new update, definitely keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Don't forget to cut on the bell to get the notification when I'm uploading videos. Again, this is your girl Bombshell. So let's get into it.
Size 4 and 6 in and 8 in. New hair.
Okay, this is the new hair I'm using, size 4, 6, and 8. And I'm loving it. This hair is great for this style. Okay, so once you have mapped out your section, now you want to go in and apply the 4-inch length hair to your dome cap around the neckline, like so. Okay, this next step is I like to go ahead and start trimming down the nape hair by using a razor to remove the hair. This will help you in making sure you keep your guideline once you get to the top of the wig unit. So yes, go ahead and shave the hair down using your clippers or a razor. Okay, so let's bring in the 6-inch and 8-inch hair. And basically you want to just glue these tracks all the way around until you get to the top of the dome cap, like so. And this is what it looked like so far once you have glued down all the hair on the dome cap. Okay, people, I have finished applying all the tracks, and basically this is what it looks like so far. This is the front, this is the back. Now you want to go in and thin this out, and you also want to go in and cut it. So I'm about to give this unit a makeover, and so stay tuned. Now the wig is ready to be cut. You just have to determine your length. You would then go in and cut the 6-inch and 8-inch hair, which is glued on top. That's why it's very important to shade down the 4-inch hair so you can know where your guideline is. By doing so, you can see, like so, where the hair start and stop at in the back. Just continue cutting in a blunt cut. We will then go in and blend and thin this hair out. Now taking your thinning shears, you just want to go in and lightly thin the hair out to remove the thickness of the hair. This will also make the wig look more natural. So yes, your thinning shears will be your best friend for giving your hair, this style, the natural look. And you will continue doing this all the way around, like so. Okay, my BAM Beauties, and this is the finished look of the new all black bowl cut wig, and I am so loving it. This is the back view of it, and yes, thank y'all so much for watching. Check out the pictures, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on my next video.